Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Aurora, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers premier moving services in Aurora, Colorado. Our dedicated movers in Aurora, Colorado assist residential and commercial customers with local and long-distance moves. There are many options when you're planning a local move to Aurora, Colorado. You can choose a local independent moving company in Aurora or the Aurora branch of a major national or regional operation. Either way, do some checking to be sure that the personnel who will be working on your move have a good service history. One way to do that is to ask for references from recent customers. At 3 Movers, we pride ourselves on the reports that our customers give, and we are always happy to have our past customers share their views with new potential ones. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Aurora moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.